WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. We are starting off on 24-hour temperature cast, and this wants to take those numbers up near 90. I think we could get up over 90 depending on how long we have to wait for the showers today. There is a little activity on radar this morning. I see a sprinkle or two trying to move from west to east through parts of Liberty and Calhoun counties and maybe going to find their way into Gadsden. More showers along the I-75 corridor up near Tifton and Adel. Now, these showers today a little fewer and farther between than what we've been seeing for the previous several days. And as we get a few more breaks and gaps between the showers, I think we might even see a little bit more blue in the sky. That's going to really help those temperatures get moving today. The overall pattern slowly starting to change just a little tiny bit. And as that does happen, our forecast will change a little tiny bit. Doesn't look nearly as muddled up across the southeast. I don't see all those pockets of dry air over Texas and the Virginias with all that moisture around here, but I do see this general clockwise circulation telling me that that ridge of higher pressure to our south is still going to be our big weather player, and that will promote more of that west wind flow. It's 75 degrees right now in Tallahassee and Thomasville. It's 76 in Valdosta. Not breezy out there, but awfully humid, so we'll have to be on the lookout for some of that patchy fog this morning, maybe some thick fog in spots. 76 right now in Bainbridge and in Madison and in Lafayette and in Cross City. The warm spot this morning, Apalachicola, where it's 80. And yeah, there's some reduced visibility around Perry down to just 3/4 of a mile. Now that circulation over the Gulf going clockwise, that area of higher pressure is going to promote the winds coming in from the west. Now when we have south and southwest winds, we're bringing in all the warm, bringing in all the muggy, and that's going to give us better chances for showers. Usually if we get those winds to go more west or even northwest, now we start to dry things out at the lower levels of the atmosphere just a little tiny bit, and that would be a welcome change, especially heading into the weekend. But of course, this time of the year when we dry things out, it does get awfully hot, so that's something to keep in mind. Today is more of a transition between a little bit hotter and a little bit drier and all of the showers and humidity we've been having, so it's still going to be real muggy out there. Plus, I still think there's going to be quite a bit of scattered showers, just not as many as the past couple of days and not as often as the past couple of days. As we head into the weekend, there still will be some showers, especially when the sea breezes kick in and do their thing, but not as many as we've been having and not as often. So our temperatures are going to be able to climb a little bit higher, especially if we get some more breaks in the clouds and some more periods of sunshine out there. And I think that we will over the weekend. Winds on the Gulf today from the west 8 to 16, seas 1 to 3 feet. We'll put a little light chop in the protected waters. High tides just wrapping up now, and we'll switch to low tides a little bit later on this morning. That mixture of clouds and sun still very muggy. The rain chance is pretty low this morning, but this afternoon still back up near 60%. Expect to get some showers, but those top temperatures before the showers do their thing likely make it up over 90. The showers will fizzle a little sooner tonight. It stays muggy overnight. We'll look for more patchy fog tomorrow morning. And look at those temperatures getting hotter. I think we're talking mid-90s or more this weekend. So yeah, going to be a little brighter, a little drier, but think cool thoughts.